Hi guys, so today is Sunday, June 27. I was supposedly doing swimming today, kaso nalate ako ng gising. As yun, nasaraduhan na ako ng pool. So for today, buhat na lang muna tayo. Let's go! Okay, time check, it's 9:30. 9:30 na natapos yung workout. And then, so, ligo lang. And then, tulog na. See you tomorrow. Peace. What's up guys? Good morning. And time check, it's 9:21. And I'm on my way to Vermosa to have my 30-minute swim. So let's go! Okay, so yun na nga. Akarating lang natin sa Vermosa at 9:42 in the morning. Kaso, nililinis daw yung pool. So, pack shot. So sarado yung pool sa village, sarado yung pool dito sa Vermosa. So, oh well, mukhang rest day muna tayo for today's video. Bukas na lang ulit, let's go swimming tomorrow. Bye! What's up guys? So yun nga, hindi ko naman din alam na sarado pala yung Vermosa. So, change of plans. Walk the dog na lang muna tayo. Tapos tomorrow na lang tayo mag-swimming pag open na lang. Peace! Good morning guys! So today is Tuesday, July 29. And kita nyo naman, taas na ng araw. So finally, nakakapaglangoy na tayo. Wait, saan yung pang swimming ko? Okay, so yun nga, makakapag-swim na tayo dito lang sa village namin. So let's go. 30-minute swim tayo for today. Peace! Okay, so hello. So it's a prank. Sarado yung pool, so hindi ko alam. Baka may sira or ewan. Sarado yung pool. Yun ang importante. So ngayon, try natin punta ulit tayo sa Vermosa. Sana open. Although wala kasama ng feeling ko open sa Vermosa ngayon. Taas ng araw. Yun nga lang, ayoko kasi pag sa Vermosa mga ganitong oras, kasabay mo lahat ng nagte-training. Kikita ng lahat na mahina akong nilalang. Mas gusto ko mag-isa lang ako para nakakakita na mahina akong nilalang. So let's go, part 2 papuntang Vermosa. Peace! Hi guys! So yon, pag-swimming din tayo sa wakas. Open sa Vermosa. Dami ng tao. Mga nag-training din I guess. Tsaka I think mga varsity. So yun, 30-minute swim. Ilang meters? Parang 800 meters. So lang sa swimming wala pa naman akong kahit anong goal. So naglalangoy lang talaga ako for the hell of it. Pero wala pa namang goals. Pero feels good to swim. Ganda lang pag sa mga ganitong Olympic pool talaga. Makakapag-focus ka dun sa mga fundamentals. Hindi mo kailangan mag-sighting, ganyan, kasi wala ka namang kasabay na tao sa lane mo. So yun, workout done for today. It's 9:20 in the morning at July 29. See you tomorrow. Peace! Good afternoon guys. So today is Wednesday, July 30, and temperan tayo for today. Let's go. Okay guys, 30 minutes tempo run done. Yun lang. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys. So today is a Thursday, July 31. Swimming ulit tayo since nausog yung schedule natin before. Sana naman bukas na yung clubhouse. Parang third time ko na to this week na nag-try mag-swim sa clubhouse. Yun lang. Let's go. Okay. Utang. Hello guys. So yes, makatipid tayo ng 250 pesos for today's video dahil bukas dito sa clubhouse. Hanggang hindi nakapag-swimming dito. Sarap lang mag-swimming dito kasi kahit gaano kalamig yung panahon. Ang init ng tubig. Hindi tulad sa Vermosa. Pag maulan, puta para kang ano, wala lang way sa yelo eh. So anyway, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Peace. What's up guys? Good evening na. Daming ganap for today. So ginabi na tayo sa ating workout for today. Tayo ay buhat day today. Let's go. What's up guys? So it's almost 8 o'clock. Kakatapos lang ng ating buhat session. Tomorrow will be a rest day, so I'm gonna see you on Sunday. Peace.